guys, Dawn from Seasonal Designs. Today we are going to plant up 2 of these cone-shaped hanging baskets. They are actually going to go on either side of my pergola for the rest of the summer, and then when it cools down, I'm hoping to extend their season by hanging them inside the greenhouse. So let's get started. Let's take a look at what we'll be using. I am going to be planting up these really cool kind of cone-shaped hanging baskets. They come pre-lined with plastic with drainage holes in them. I am going to be adding a few more drainage holes to this. We also are going to be using a Lysimachia here with a really pretty variegated leaf, and it gets a little yellow flower. If you've seen my other videos, you know I've been using that this year. I'm also going to be using a sweet potato vine in each of these. Whoop. I also have a Bacopa, a pretty white Bacopa. I'm going to be using Lobularia in white. You can see I have a theme going here. And then I picked up just a few of the small kind of dusty millers that I'm hoping just to pop in for a little bit of a cool kind of silvery blue color. Now, a couple of tips. Whenever you're doing a hanging basket, it makes it a lot easier if you have like an empty container or a bucket or something, and you can place your hanging basket in there so it stays level and flat and still. Makes it a whole lot easier. So this does have a few drainage holes in it, but in my opinion, not enough. So I am going to snip kind of a few holes in here, and you want to have a sharp scissors, unlike mine. Just a few more kind of drainage holes in here, and probably a good size one at the bottom here. I don't want it to come flooding out all over the place, but I definitely don't want this holding on to all of that moisture. Then we're going to add a little bit of dirt. This filled with some dirt, I do like to lay out to see exactly how many plants about I can fit in here, and you know me, I do like to pack my containers. So I am definitely going to use this beautiful lime green Creeping Jenny, and then I'm hoping I can fit 2 of my Bacopas in here. Here's the other one. And then from there, because those already have some nice length to them, you know, you never know what you're going to find at garden centers in the middle of July. I am a little late in planting this, but I was lucky to find some of this that has some good growth already. Because when you're doing hanging baskets, you want things that kind of spill over and trail. You don't really want things that grow upright. So when you're at the plant store, make sure you're reading the tags, and you want things that either fill and or spill is ideal. So I do want to put, now this grows a little kind of upright and mounding, but at the edge of this, it would spill over the edge, but I'm actually gonna, I think, tuck it in the middle here, just like that. And then I'm hoping I can fit this here in the back. And I can just barely fit all this stuff, so you can see what I've got. I do have a few holes here where each of the square containers meet, and that's where I think I'll pop in a little bit of the Dusty Miller. All right, let's just plant it up. But then all you do is you attach your hangers, and then from there you can get it hung. Well, it is the next day because I needed to get some heavier rope so that I could extend both of the baskets so they hung down a little bit. But I'm really happy with the way they turned out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.